children, my name is dog. My baby is puppy, my home is a kennel. I run and play, I eat meat and bones. Thank you, children, flute.
Hello children, my name is cat. My baby is kitten, my home is a cattery. I walk and jump, I eat milk and fish.
Meow, thank you, fish. Hello children, my name is cow. My baby is calf, my home is a shed. I walk slowly, I eat green grass. Moo, thank you, thrush. Hello children, my name is lion. My baby is cub, my home is a den. I run very fast, I eat meat. Roar, thank you, leet. Hello children, my name is elephant. My baby is calf, my home is a jungle. I walk slowly, I eat leaves and grass. Thank you, Das. Hello children, my name is duck. My baby is duckling, my home is a pond. I swim and walk, I eat grains and insects. Quack, quack, thank you. Hello children, my name is kangaroo. My baby is Joey, my home is
Miss Grassland.
I hop and jump, I eat in grass. Thank you. Hello children, my name is rabbit. My baby is bunny, my home is a hutch. I hop and jump, I eat carrots and grass. Thank you. Hello children, my name is monkey. My baby is infant, my home is a tree. I jump